creative, I would suggest trying to create things for the sake of creating rather than creating with an external motive in mind, right? So I find that quite often I go through periods where I don't enjoy creating things. I don't enjoy written art or visual art or anything like that. I don't enjoy creating it because I suppose it becomes a chore because I'm focusing on what other people's perceptions are going to be, how public response is going to be to art, and that limits art because art's such an expansive thing, and it stops you from really producing art. And when art's utilised correctly for creative people like myself and like some of you listening, it can have really good mental benefits. It can make you more positive and more expressed. So yeah, a piece of advice that I think is really important is that if you are creative, create for the sake of creating and let the art flow through you because it comes from somewhere deep.